Ẹ káàárọ̀ ẹ káàsán ẹ káalẹ́ káàkiri gbogbo àgbáńlá ayé níbi tí ẹ ti ń wò wá. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì News Buster. Orúkọ tèmi ni Busari Kabirat. Ẹ̀yin tèmi tuntun ni mo tún mú wá fún yín lénìí. Eléyìí tá mú wá fún yín lénìí àrà ọ̀tọ̀ ni. Ètò eléyìí là ń pè ní ojú ọjà. Ojú ọjà. Èrò ọjà kó bá mi ká lọ. Gbogbo ojú ọjà òun náà lẹ́yìn tèmi ti ń wò yìí. Ìsọ̀ alálùbọ́sà la wà lénìí. Ọjà Mile 12 lélẹ̀. A ní ká fọ̀rọ̀ jomi toro ọ̀rọ̀. Ká wo bí ọjà ṣe ń lọ. Báwo ni nǹkan ṣe wọ́n sí? Báwo ló ṣe wà sí? Báwo ló ṣe ń lọ sí? Ṣé iye tá ń ra tẹ́lẹ̀ náà la ṣì ń rà? Ṣé iye tó wà náà ló ṣì wà? Báwo ló ṣe rọrùn fáwọn èèyàn sí láti ra àlùbọ́sà? Láti fàlùbọ́sà dáná, láti fàlùbọ́sà sebẹ̀. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ló ṣe rọrùn sí ni? Ẹ máa bá mi ká lọ. Assalamu alaikum customer.
Wa alaikum salam.
As we entered Alubosa line today, this morning for my 12 markets, how onion markets be since this subsidy thing? How it be? How much you they sell bag of onions before? How much you they sell now?
But now the market before they lost money, but now the onions they be them cost because a problem of that motor. Anytime when they carry market, people they complain of that of oil, so that the money for motor too plenty. So that onions they go high, and so customer before I go sell plenty, but now I know they say plenty like before because the problem of the money.
People know they
Not the enter market like that.
How much they sell bag of onion before?
Before I they sell them like 23, 25, 26, but now it don't reach like 50 something, 55, 56. So you know say the life how it be. You know say the thing where they will eat. Anything if you buy them, even you add money, so you go close your eyes by.
Sure, you know say before. If I come this market, come buy onions.
Okay.
I dey see people plenty women go gather. Okun kan o, okun meji o, e remain 3 o, e remain 4 o. Sure, e still dey like that now.
You see there, but no be plenty like it before because people money not there hand plenty because they talk say money not there for hand because of that. Add money for motor before you go transport of motor before they pay 500, but now you go pay 7 whether 1,000 because of like that then they feel telling you say my do waving for me say because money for transport
too much.
Now
they do that waving. She still they bring markets for you. Abi market still no move like that.
They come but no be plenty like it before.
Small market.
Small. They but alhamdulillah it go fit up.
As they do waving, say then they buy plenty like then they buy before.
Alhamdulillah, you know say anything what you go to do for the life. If you talk, say alhamdulillah, God go fit add for you. But it not be like it before.
This one now this bag wey me I dey see for market before. I never see this small bag before.
But the time if you reach any market, then they come my shop because my shop na big market. Okay. Anywhere, even for Nigeria, even for anywhere where onions go there, people go fit buy and come because they go look at them go there.
But you say this one na new one.
Na new them come because it be like 2 months where they never come this market. But they come with Borno state, Borno, na him come. But this one self, na in there for not be big, not be medium size be that.
Na in there this one.
Around big one don't fast some. Now down now they sell them on 55. 56, 56,000. That's what then they sell them.
And this small bag how much?
That one I never start selling, but anybody then they do some see them now. But they never already start buying because of the problem of market.
So how much you go sell this one now?
I don't know, but I know if you put the price.
How much you go put?
I look like I go put like a 26, whether 25.
No market cost now.
Okay.
Market cost because
this one a dry one.
This one a dry one.
Now it make am cost.
Yes, now.
That one na where? That one na.
This one.
Na new one.
Yes, this one is new one.
Okay.
While this one is dry one.
Okay.
You know there is difference between new one and.
How much be this black onion?
This one is new one. We sell it 40,000.
40,000.
Yes.
For the black onion.
Yes. Why the dry one? We sell it 60,000 because everything costs now.
Jale, how much you go give me?
Jale, I will give you 59. I will reduce 1,000 naira. So because I want to make you your customer now. You know, dry one is and also this one is bitter one.
So our markets can be since this subsidy, fuel, Wale. How markets?
So our people normally used to go Ariwa and bought it to bring it to Lagos. Okay. You know, before as fuel costs, fuel is the transportation is high now. The transportation is high. Before, people motor bring it 1,000, 2,000 from Ariwa to here. But now, as fuel costs, they bring it 6,000, 7,000. You know the difference clear. The difference clear because before is 1,000, 2,000. They bring from north to Lagos, and now it's 6,000, 7,000. You know that's the expenses of tomorrow.
And for farm?
Yes.
How the price be for farm?
And the price for farm is different. When you buy albasa, in the at farm, people who bought from Ariwa, when they go farm to meet their people to buy, they normally used to buy 30,000 before. But now when they go, they will see people at farm normally used to buy 40,000, 35. So you understand? They bring it here. So the transportation is high. When they bring it here, before the owners come here, so maybe if you know buy better one, you will spoil.
And so they know they attack them for road if they come.
No, our people who bring it from here, they say nobody can attack them. But you normally, if they get accident or something wrong in the road.
But at night they bring market.
No, anytime when the driver, you know, na lucky. If the driver start coming from Ariwa around 9 o'clock, if you get luck, you come in the night or in the morning. That's how it.
So last where you go give me now 59,000.
59, I will sell 59 now.
And that new one, how much you go give me last?
This new one I will sell it 39. Also 1,000 I will come out for you now.
Customer, you don't want to make I buy you.
I want to make you a customer now. No.
Yes. Wa alaikum assalam.
How you they sell? How you they take buy?
So far so good. All what I can say is that we are grateful to Allah and the issue of buying and sell. I'm just a normal hawker who used to buy from dealer or someone like that, retailer or whatever, to go and sell directly to the customer. So frankly speaking, I do have a reliable source of income, something that I can live my life to settle my problems, my daily problems, daily activities, and almost everything.
So as you are selling now, and how much do you used to buy before? How much do you used to buy now? How much do you used to sell? And what profits do you make? Is it more than before, or is more the one you are making now is more than what you are making before? Or what you are making before is more than what you are making now in profits?
Well, though I'm a newcomer, I'm a fresh, so I've just started. But things must change as a result of change in CBN policy. You know, there is this thing was what do I call it? Has been advocated a CBN policy which turned the economic issues upside down. So we are earning. There must be change in profit, but it depends on how you happens to experience that particular day, because each and every day it is a collection of wages that will which if you calculate after school or after market closing, this thing after you close, it depends on how you get success. Yes, it depends on what you buy and sell. Yes, thank you very much.
This one na 20,000.
20,000.
Yes.
For this basket.
Yes.
All the baskets 20,000.
No on the basket.
How much did you want?
Yeah, this one na 20,000.
Last.
This Ghana tomatoes.
This one. Now which tomato be this
Na
one?
Ghana.
Ghana
Na
tomatoes.
Ghana tomato, yes.
How much be this one basket?
This one they selling 25,000.
This one big basket.
Yes.
20,000.
Yeah.
This one small basket.
To
25,000.
gaskiya na tomato na different. Because shi wannan tumatiri nama na Hausa.
This one they get water.
Yeah, no water.
No water.
Yes, no water.
This one dry pass am.
No gira pass.
What's it gonna make this small basket cost pass this one?
I don't know. Ni dai ban sani ba. To.
Tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa òun lẹ ti gbọ́ wọ́n ní basket tòmátì eléyìí tòmátì Haúsá ni eléyìí bó ṣe tóbi tó yìí 20,000 lápẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n tòmátì eléyìí tòmátì Ghana ni bí àpẹẹrẹ yìí ṣe wá kéré tó wọ́n ní 25,000 ni àmọ́ bá ṣe fẹ́ ṣe o torí ó gbẹnu tán nagode Alhaji alaka ukaswa. Salamu alaikum customer.
Alaikum salam. Fine.
How much much be your tomato? Your own tomato dey different from Alhaji Abubakar.
Oh yeah. Muna sewa.
Which tomato be this one?
Na Yoruba tomato.
This one na Yoruba tomato. But this one no dey sweet like Hausa tomato.
This one, you know, she English one.
She dey sweet.
It is sweet, eh?
But no be water tomato.
No be water.
How much you dey sell basket?
6,000.
6,000. Last.
5.
5. If I wan pay 4,000.
I know give you 4,000.
Wetin happen?
Na 5,000 naira.
You no customer Alhaji.
Na 6,000 lota.
If I wan buy everything, how much you go sell for me?
4,500.
4,500. Last. 4,000 ko. You no gree. But this one now, if I wan share, I fit share.
I fit share.
I fit share. Like how many people fit share this one?
2.
2 people.
Only
2 people. But this one you suppose give me like 4,000. And if 2 people fit share am.
Give you 4,000. Na 4,500 ni last.
4,500 last. Na wow. Ẹ̀yin tèmi eléyìí lẹ́tún gbọ́ wọ́n tún ní pé tòmátì Yorùbá lélẹ́yìí apẹ̀rẹ̀ kékeré òun ò fi bẹ́ẹ̀ tó ti Alhaji àkọ́kọ́ ta kọ́kọ́ lọ bá wọ́n ní 4,500 naira lápẹ̀rẹ̀ tòmátì eléyìí jálẹ̀jálẹ̀ mo dẹ̀ bèrè mo ní ṣó lómi ni wọ́n ní rárá mo ní ṣó dùn wọ́n ló dùn ṣùgbọ́n mo mọ̀ pé ìyàtọ̀ ṣàmà wà nù adùn tòmátì Yorùbá tòmátì Hausa àti tòmátì ti Ghana nǹkan tó lè mú tòmátì apẹ̀rẹ̀ Ghana kékeré bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn kó jẹ́ 25,000 tòmátì apẹ̀rẹ̀ ńlá ta Hausa tó jẹ́ ti 20,000 tó wọ́n ní tòmátì kékeré yìí 4,000 tó Ọlọ́run a máa ràn wá ṣe o. Salamu alaikum customer.
Alaikum salam.
How market?
I dey fine.
Wetin be your name?
Ibrahim.
Malam Ibrahim. Abeg, this your tomato I see say na 2 different tomato you get.
Yes, na.
This one na which tomato?
Na Hausa tomato.
This one ko?
Na Yoruba tomato.
How much come be basket for this one?
Na this one na 10,000, 11,000.
Customer, you see big basket wey I see for other shop wey dem talk say na 20,000.
Yes.
But na big basket now.
Yes, na.
So
This one na 10,000. I dey carry 2. Na then finish, then full it down.
but shey 2 basket of this one go full that one?
Yes, na.
You sure?
Yes, na.
How much come be Yoruba tomato?
Na Yoruba tomato 8,500, 8,000.
Wetin happen customer? You wan
It took us wallahi. Petro wallahi it took us. I dey carry latte Ogomosho I be my 12. Our motor it took us wallahi. Yeah, gaskiya ne.
how market be now? Shey people dey buy market well now? Abi dem dey buy market well before pass now?
Wallahi now I dey it took us gaskiya.
But shey customers dey enter market dem dey buy?
Wallahi no dey customer nisi.
Customer no dey market?
Wallahi.
But now you know say tomato don plenty pass that salad time wey we buy o.
After salad this one na 20,000, 30,000. Amma nisi ko si customer dear ni.
And my market come plenty for ground.
Wallahi.
So how you go come do am now? You know say this one if e take too much e go spoil. How you go do am?
I don't know wallahi.
You go sell inshallah. So tòmátì náà la ṣì wà ní mile 12 ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn alápẹ̀rẹ̀ kéékèèké la tún dé nísìnyí báyìí. Salamu alaikum Alhaji.
Alaikum salam Alhaja.
How market?
Thank God.
How much you dey sell this small tomato?
Yeah, they sell that small market like 1,000 naira.
Last
price.
if I wan buy everything how much you go sell for me?
So you want buy all? If you buy all now 1,000 I dey sell now.
Alhaji no discount at all.
No, I no go.
But this one shey na Yoruba tomatoes abi na Hausa?
Tomatoes that one. Na Yoruba tomatoes.
So na because na Yoruba tomato na im make you dey sell am cheap abi?
And because of that Yoruba tomato now they sell that kekeke small.
But
The Hausa tomato no go sell for this basket. It's too small. Na the big basket.
but for crate how much you dey sell tomatoes wey dey crate?
Crate if you cost I dey sell am like 25,000. Crate.
But shey you know say na 2 crates dey full one big basket?
And the 2 crate you fit full 2 basket.
So na im be say basket go be 50,000 be that?
No, the basket you go reach 50,000. Whether you go pass.
But as e come cost now Alhaji, shey customer dey enter market buy am well?
The customer dey buy like now the customer never enter well today. It comes small, you go enter.
wetin you think say cause am shey because today na weekend abi na transport cause am abi wetin.
Na transport money you dey cost am now because the motor e cost.
But even as transport cost people must chop now dem must eat pepper so how you think say go abi make we dey look at whether in the afternoon after jumat whether people go enter market again.
You dey enter evening time and the night you dey enter buy am you dey carry am go.
But shey this Yoruba tomato dey sweet well well like Hausa tomato.
No, it's difference.
There is difference. E no dey sweet like Hausa tomato. And shey this one no be water water tomato.
This one no be water water tomato. The tomato is difference now.
So last price wey you go give me, you no fit give me 800 Alhaji.
No. Because the one wey you no big that like this one e dey. Like 700 naira own, 800 naira own.